Good morning, students. I hope you all have gone through the previous lesson and the notes which I have given you via school website. Hopefully you are doing well and completing your notes on time. Students, complete your work at the earliest so that it won't be a burden for you all, okay? Book exercise I'll give you later. And the word meaning and question answer that I have given you through website as a PDF. With the help of that you can complete your notes. Okay, now let's begin with today's class. Today we will start the new lesson 2.3, and the name of the lesson is The Man Who Killed My Dog. What is the name of the lesson, children? The Man Who Killed My Dog. And this story, that is The Man Who Killed My Dog, is a story narrated or written by Richard Joseph. The writer or the narrator, I can say, is Richard Joseph of this story. Now, this is a story of dog who has been hit by someone, and narrator, that is writer, is writing a letter to guilty. What is the meaning of guilty, students? Being responsible for doing something wrong. Who did something wrong? That is a guilty. Or having broken a law. It means there is a law and that is broken by someone, and that person feels guilty, we can say. Now I would like to start the reading of introduction of lesson. Now move to this paragraph. See this first paragraph. Some people drive very recklessly. They hit someone while driving but never stop to help the victim. Here, children, okay, wait, let me first complete this paragraph. Such drivers are called hit and run drivers. Okay, so here first I would like to tell you the meaning of difficult words. Recklessly. Recklessly means carelessly, not caring about results. Okay, now victim. Victim means a person harmed or injured or killed as a result of a crime. Victim means. And they hit someone while driving, you can see over here. The next sentence, after recklessly, hit means strike or to make sudden or violent contact with somebody or something. Okay, hit means simply strike also, we can say. Such drivers are called hit and run drivers. Okay, here hit and run means what? Used about a road accident. Generally we use these terms as a road accident, for road accident. Okay, so hit and run we used about or for a road accident. It means caused by a driver who does not stop to help. Hit and run, the driver who does not stop to help. Okay, now next one. Here you will read the story of a person whose dog named Wendy was killed by a hit and run driver. The man knew nothing about the driver, but he decided to write him a letter through a newspaper. Here is what he wrote in his letter. First, I would like to explain this much. Children, you all are very much aware with the fact that nowadays some people are there who drive very carelessly, means they drive too fast. They don't even think about the results. They don't care if they are driving fast. What will happen if they will drive fast? You know what will be the result if anybody will drive too fast? Obviously, students, they are going to lose their life if a single mistake takes place. Not only their life, but others' life also will be at risk. In first sentence, that is, some people drive very recklessly. I told you the meaning of recklessly is carelessly, not caring about results. So here, some people drive very recklessly means carelessly they drive. They don't even bother what will happen if they are doing so. It means if they are driving so fast, too fast, if they are driving, they don't even bother about it. They hit someone while driving but never stop to help the victim. They hit means they strike someone while driving. That is, suddenly they hit someone and they don't even care about the other people or animal whom they hit. Not even stop to help the victim. They just hit and run. They don't even bother that they hit somebody. Victim means here I explained you that a person harmed or injured. So what I explained you, that they don't even care about the other people, or even in place of people, animals also there whom they hit, but they don't even stop to help the victim. I already told you the meaning of victim. Now next sentence, such drivers are called hit and run drivers. So the drivers who hit and never stop to help are called hit and run drivers. Hit and run meaning caused by a driver who does not stop to help. Generally, this term hit and run terms we used for a road accident. So, while driving, drivers has to follow the traffic rules, students, which is very much helpful to stop the road accident in a massive way. If anybody, it means if everybody will follow the traffic rule, we can stop the road accident in a massive way. Students, before going through the lesson, I want to tell you few traffic rules which should be known by you all. First is, always keep left while you walk. It means while walking you can't walk in a wrong direction. That is, if you are walking, you have to be in your left side, means by your left you have to walk. Your right side, if you are walking to your right, means you are walking in wrong direction. Okay, let me repeat this. If you are walking in your right direction, it means you are walking in wrong direction. So whenever you are walking, you have to walk by your left. Secondly, triple seat on a bike and scooter is strictly prohibited. I want to make you clear with the image. Here you can see how 3 people are sitting on a bike and how it can be dangerous and can cause accident. So it is not allowed to sit 3 and ride a bike. If somebody caught like this, then they have to pay the challan. That is, they have to pay the money if they are not following the rules. Okay, students. Third, slow down your vehicles on speed breaker. You have to slow down the speed when you are passing from the speed breaker. Next is, you all are very aware with this. Use helmet while driving. Nowadays it is compulsory for all to use helmet and drive motorbikes or scooter. The next one, do not park vehicles on the road as it is going to disturb other people to pass by. So it is necessary to park vehicles properly in parking places. The next one is that do not use cell phone while driving. So students, all these traffic rules and regulation, if followed by everyone, there will be a lesser number of accidents. Now come to the paragraph. Here you will read the story of a person whose dog named Wendy was killed by a hit and run driver. The man knew nothing about the driver, but he decided to write him a letter through a newspaper. This is a story of a person. Students, this is a story of a person who has a dog, and the name of that dog is Wendy. Here in first line it is given. Here we are going to read the story of a person whose dog named Wendy was killed by a hit and run driver. So this is a story we are going to learn is about a dog, and the person is going to write a letter to the driver, or we can say to a man knew nothing about the driver. He don't know about the driver. The man is not knowing anything about the driver, but he decided to write a letter to the driver through a newspaper. So this is a story of a person who has a dog, and the name of dog is Wendy, who was killed by a hit and run driver. After this mishap means students a accident. I want to tell you that person over here, it is given in a first line. You can see here you all read the story of a person. Here person is for narrator, who is narrating this story. So that person, that is narrator, don't know the man or the driver who killed his dog Wendy. The name of the dog is Wendy. Then also means after not knowing about the driver, then also he decided to write him a letter through a newspaper, so that the letter can be seen by the driver, and at least he will feel regret and will not repeat this mistake again. So before starting students the letter what writer has written, I want to show you one short clip which will show the kindness of the dog. In that clip you will see the kindness of the dog, that how will you treat and give love to them, you will get back. Students, the clip I have shown you is to make you understand that animals can also express their feelings and kindness, and you have seen that how that dog helped that blind lady, and also he rewarded for that at the end. The reward or gift is, the meaning of reward is gift. The reward or gift is what student we can give to them is, it is only love and be kind to them. Don't hit any dog or any animals. Okay, now come to paragraph. So here writer wrote in his letter, "Dear sir, I hope you were going somewhere important on Tuesday night. That was why you drove so fast down the road. Perhaps we would feel better if we could imagine that you were a doctor rushing somewhere to ease somebody's pain." Here, rushing means to move with great speed, and ease means absence of difficulty or efforts. So, you were a doctor rushing somewhere to ease somebody's pain. We should not feel so bad if we could think that the life of our dog went to shorten someone's suffering. Went means was lost. He is writing to a person who hit his dog Wendy. Means narrator is writing to a person who hit his dog Wendy. The name of dog here is Wendy. It was the Tuesday night when this incident took place, and I hope there was some important work at that night. That is why you was driving at a very high speed. Here he is telling that if you were driving to save someone's life or reducing the pain or suffering of someone's, then I'll feel better and can imagine that you are a doctor and for saving someone's life you was driving so fast and hit my dog. I'll feel not bad if my dog life lost to save someone or somebody else's life. Come to next paragraph, these 3 lines. But sir, now we know too much about you to believe it. True, we know nothing of your name or address, but We know all about the form and content of your heart. Content means you're happy or satisfied with what you have or do. So in this paragraph, narrator is telling that he knows nothing about the driver, his name, his address, nothing he knows. Only he knows all about the content, that is the satisfaction, whatever he did, means satisfaction of your heart, that might be there was a reason you were driving very fast. Okay students, further I will explain you in the next video. Thank you.